am looking for a different drilling solution, and I ended up getting the Wabeco Bohrständer drilling stand from Germany. And today my order arrived, and this is a box for it, totaling up to about 24 kilograms. I haven't actually opened it yet, and now I'm going to open it. Okay, so that's how it's packaged. Okay, this is the engineering vise. Yeah, so this goes with the drill base. If we attach it to the drill base to do the drilling, I guess. Oh, okay, so this is the tool rest for the wood turning accessory thing. So we clamp this into the drill base, to the base of the drill, and rest the tool in here. Yeah, and this is the tail stock, I guess, for so it's go this way. So we put a collar onto this, and that collar go into the horizontal bar, and this part here is going into the wood stock that we want to turn. So I'm getting the 3 handle spoke wheel for the drill stand, and these are the handle part for it. Yeah, these are the two either vertical, no, these are the 2 vertical collar for holding either the tail end or another drill in there. So they are about 43 mil in diameter. That would fit most standard drill, hand drill, I guess. Yeah, and this is another collar which go like that, and the other one would go. This would go to the bar, the horizontal bar of the drill stand, and the other collar would sit in there. And this there for holding the other end of the turning stock, and this shank there go into the drill press. No, sorry, into the hand drills, and this go into the stock. Yeah. This is the actual stand. So it comes with a standard handlebar like this, and I'm replacing it with the 3-bar spoke wheel. So I will have this one extra. I would have thought that I changed this one to that, but I didn't. Now, and this is the horizontal bar that go into the stand. So it comes with it comes with a standard collar like that. So to actually having a wood turning support, I need the other 3 collars that I have shown before. Yeah, and the last part, which is the base of the drill. It's fairly heavy. Everything total up around 24 kilogram minus the heaviest part, which is the engineering clamp. So I think the specification list this drill stand alone is about 14 kilogram. Yeah, and some of the screws just to go with it, I'm not sure where yet. Yeah, and of course this is the instruction on how to assemble it. This is in German, but we can go to the website and download an English version for it as well. Yes, so we can get this. Yeah, this is in German, but I have already downloaded something similar in English. So in this one here, it lists all the accessories that to go with it. Yes, so this is the turning, the drilling and the turning solution that I got. Yeah, there's a lot more accessory for it which I didn't get, and this is the milling. This is a milling table to go with the drill stand, and I haven't got this. It's a bit pricey as well. I don't know if I'm going to ever need it. Yes, and it has a lot of support there, so we can drill horizontal and stuff that day. Okay, so that's about all for this one. I'm going to assemble it next, and possibly I'm going to do another video on it. Yeah, and I also had just seen this. Not sure what this one is for. It's in German. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this. Thank you.